Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get on the Bobcat real quick. I'm gonna try to take care of some of this stuff out here. We got more rain coming in, so just kind of I want to start getting some of this stuff cleaned up. We got more rain coming in, so I want to get gravel in a lot of these places. So I do have 3 tons of gravel, or 3 yards of gravel right there. But I want to get all this stuff up. I'm going to try to smooth all this out right here and get all this smooth, man. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it because a lot of these roots are still fastened, you know, but we need to get this smooth and get a little bit of gravel down right here because this is going to be really muddy if we get more rain. And I know we got more rain coming. Time lapse coming, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that's about as good as I can get it with the grapple. And all this stuff right here, I'm not worried about none of it. I'm going to pick all this up and I'll put it on the dump trailer once I get the gravel off. I'm going to go on and get this area right here too. Well, oh man. Well, it's so muddy, dude. It's like, fuck. I'm going to pick this up, put it up on the damn trailer. Yeah. But you can see how water is going to sit here. I got to grade this right, man. We need to get the power rake out and just, you know, come down through here and just. See, water sits right there, so we need to put the flat bucket on. I'm gonna have to move you guys out of the way, and I'm gonna grab the camera charger thing. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, I can't hardly get it no smoother than that. Well, my skills of grading are not that great, but I'm getting better and better at it. But the ground's kind of wet too, and I'm ready to go and put this gravel down. I was thinking about putting the fabric down, but all this stuff right here, I'm not going to waste that fabric. I'm going to use that fabric on a job that we got next week, and I'll be able to get my I'll be able to get the money back that I paid for the fabric. And I'll be able to, we'll make a profit on that fabric. I paid like $300 something for that big roll of fabric I got. And it is, it's what they use. The water can go through it, but dirt can't. So you can see where I put little drainage things because all this area up here holds water. It's so flat. So before I put the gravel down, I cut me a little. I don't know if you can see it in the ground there. Yeah, and I made it lower right here where the water could get on around. This was a low spot right here next to the driveway, and yeah. So We just want some of the water to go away. You know, not to go that way. We can't go that way because the driveway's 4 inches higher. And we need the water to go this way and right on down to the street. So, yeah. But yeah, see, this ground is real soft. This dirt is terrible. But we're gonna put gravel on it, and if it lasts just a couple of months, and that's just how it is. The mud is brutal up here. So my dream is to get all this shit concreted all the way to where the white truck is. I can handle the asphalt driveway to right here, but I want all that fucking concrete, all that concrete, all that concrete, all of these shipping containers to the front door and down the side there too. But I'm gonna have to save my money for that. It'll probably be a couple of years before I can do that. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the ramps on the trailer and reach in here and just take some of this gravel out, scoop by scoop, and throw it down, right? But that's pretty smooth, man. So this is 3 tons, well, 3 yards of gravel. And he did get to the bottom of the bin over there. Look at that big old crap right there, man. Look at that, man. So yeah, I'm probably gonna back the truck up a little bit and get it a little more friendly over here before I open the doors up, because I don't need no more gravel on the driveway itself. So all right, y'all. So that's what 3 yards of gravel will do. I probably could have used about 6 because I don't have it very thick here. But this will settle in, and then you know, this is better than nothing. And I got that spot over there too. We're gonna try to, you know, well, I know that I put a lot of gravel down over the years, and it's gone somewhere. And you know, yeah, I could easily do two or 3 more yards, but I didn't want to move that trailer or nothing because, well, it's Saturday night, and we got a lot of rain coming tomorrow, and I just don't want to. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the dump trailer back right here. You'll see I got that spot too. And at the end of the day, 3 yards is only 3 heaping buckets. About a bucket and a half on my little bucket. See, I intentionally bought a smaller bucket that's a 60-inch bucket. Where I can scoop stuff out of the dump trailer. The 72-inch bucket won't go in there, not without just reaping hell on everything. So, yeah. So, yeah, it looks good, man. I think looks good. Okay, y'all. So, I got to pick this stupid piece of metal up, man. This metal's heavy too. I went on and just kept the Ferris inside here. I'm gonna pull the Bobcat up right here and get ready for this rainstorm coming in tomorrow. Now, tomorrow I will probably be working on this table. You guys see that I got some lumber over there that I bought to shore this table up a little bit. And yeah, but I got to get this piece of metal up, man. That's it on the day, man. Peace out.